Bard AI Palm 2 technology that creates fully automated 100% done for you ClickBank affiliate sites. Loaded with hot DFYAI content, DFYAI video reviews of high profitable products that instantly rank themselves on Google for a low, one-time price and makes $624. Now become a well-known affiliate on the world's biggest network using the next-gen ClickBank affiliate site creator launch till date. First to market Bard AI Palm 2 technology that creates fully automated 100% done for you ClickBank affiliate sites like never before. Create premium ClickBank affiliate sites that get high ranks on Google in 3 easy clicks within days. Use artificial intelligence to automate everything and create top-notch affiliate sites on the fly. Ensure effortless monetization using reviews and videos for top products like never before. Smartly add JVZoo affiliate link to any keyword for extra monetization. Fill your sites with daily videos reviews from AI on top trending products across ClickBank. Or using CB Nova to make tons of commissions from world's leading affiliate platform ClickBank. Create sites for any offer in any niche with no prior tech hassles or coding skills. Use these stunning affiliate sites to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. Proprietary tech helps join thousands of marketers who are making billions of dollars on ClickBank. Never worry about paying huge money monthly to expensive third-party platforms. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. Emulate their success, turn ClickBank your daily ATM machine. Build your debut profitable ClickBank affiliate review site with 100% automation. Entice max audience using the power of genuine reviews for trending products. Effortlessly monetize with reviews and videos for top products from ClickBank and JVZoo. Use these stunning affiliate sites to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. Create 100% SEO and mobile responsive affiliate review sites in just 3 clicks. Get maximum exposure for your products and offers hands down. Create fully automated, done for you ClickBank affiliate sites in these red hot niches: arts and entertainment, home and garden, parenting and families, games, sports, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, green products, mobile, travel, health and fitness, education, self-help, tons of other hot niches that are packed with targeted audience. They garnered massive traffic on their affiliate sites crafted with CB Nova. In just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. Step 2. Select a niche. Step 3. Profit. Top marketers use CB Nova to maximize their affiliate commissions. Build your first ClickBank affiliate review site with no tech or coding skills. Maximize affiliate commissions using the biggest affiliate network on the universe. Build premium sites with new daily reviews for top converting ClickBank products. Get high ranks for your site without any SEO skills. Sell top trending products across the globe for big profits. Create fresh content using them and boost your authority instantly. Achieve these results effortlessly every day, no hard work needed. You get all these benefits with no extra fees. Break barriers, stop worrying, just like you have the power to. Paying monthly for expensive freelancers. No traffic on your affiliate sites. No getting low or zero commissions. No waiting for real results. No prior tech or marketing skills needed. Get tons of audience hooked to your affiliate sites at a one-time cost lower than you could ever imagine. Get daily reviews on top trending products to entice max audience. Our reliable and strong platform ensures you can get benefiting instantly with tremendous ease. CB Nova has been tried and tested to guarantee the fastest results with no issues at all. CB Nova suits everyone perfectly. Everyone who owns a business, service or is a marketer. Everyone who wants to survive in this new age digital world. Everyone who would like to generate max affiliate commissions. Everyone who would like to retain their profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. Everyone who wants to take a giant leap over their competitors. Everyone who doesn't want their customers to be pissed off because of outdated and plagiarized product reviews. Everyone who is looking to take complete control of their business. Everyone who aims to give the best customer experience. Everyone who wants to be safe and not pay huge ransoms to third parties. If you make a purchase from the link in the description, you will receive a free bonus. Take a screenshot of the product you purchased. Send it to me on Instagram. I will give you a free bonuses. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content.